Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful blue gradation eyeliner on my beautiful model here. But before we start, let's start with skin prep. Once the skin prep is done, it's time for the brows, and I'm going to keep the eyebrows slightly stronger because this helps the eye makeup pop out a lot more. And remember, whenever you want the eye makeup to pop out a lot more, keep the eyeshadow base a little lighter. That's why I'm using the Louise Eye Shadow base in shade 2. Today I'm using the Colorpop Eye Shadow in the shade Cream Soda. It's got the lightest color for the lids, and that's exactly why I want to use it, because I do not want it to interfere with my blue gradation eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner remains the Inglot number 77 because it is so intense. And just working out a good eyeliner shape, because this look is all about that. Always remember, gradation eyeliner will be a lot of work of a lot of colors. So I've used the Suva Beauty eyeliner in blue as well. And then I've topped all of it with the Viseart palette. I keep going back and forth with the colors till I am super happy with it. Always remember, your eye makeup will not pop out if your skin work is not on point. Today I'm doing airbrush makeup again, and you guys know how much I love it. So I hope you like the look, guys. Do let me know in the comments what do you think about this. I would also love to hear from you guys about your favorite eyeliner product. Mine remains the Inglot 77. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and do not forget to click on the notification button. Thank you for watching.